sitting here in front of the fire, trying to enjoy my dinner. Don't know if you can see it. This buffhead, right here, looking at me. Don't know if you can see that either. That's this guy. One. There. You see him? Right there. Stay. Wants my grub. Look, putting the paw up. Look. Hello. Yep, no. It's my dinner. You've had yours. On your bed. You stay. Unbelievable. But I've got to say, spag bog. Look at that. Not too bad in a dry packet. Excuse my eating habits. No, he still wants more. Anyway, I'm going to hog into this and continue watching my series on the bush telly. Just finished dinner. Spaghetti bolognese. Man, I'm enjoying these dry food packs. I think that's what they are. Just add water and wait 10-15 minutes. I think it was $18 and I am full. Really nice. Really nice. No room for sweets. That apple pie one will have to wait. Whew, it's getting hot sitting next to this fire. I'll take the beanie off in a minute. Cooking. Took a while to get going, but it's going. Woo. Might say good night to you guys. I'm going to sit here for a bit longer and enjoy. And yeah, see you in the morning. Hopefully we have a good night with Buffhead. No, still? He's still freaking out over there. He's on alert. It's alright. Lie down. Alright. See you in the morning. Good night. But someone's snoring. Don't know if you heard that, but the wind changed and he's covered in ash now. It's changed for a minute and then it's gone back to the way it was. Oh, let him snooze. Tough life being a dog. Alright, good night. See you in the morning. Good morning. Whew. Cloudy, cold. Fire's out. Got up a couple of times. Bullfed needing to go to the toilet, stretch his legs. Don't know if you can see, but check out the foam. That's all from that up there coming down the rapids. Oh, whew, feet are cold. Oh. Well, I think I might get my beanie. Oh. And have a cuppa. Early rise with the dog. Oh, it's what? No, it's 7 o'clock. Not bad, it's just that it's cloudy. There is rain forecast. It's winter now. Oh, let's get my beanie and get the kettle going. Or the billy. Whatever. What are you doing in there, doofus? There we go. Well, while that's boiling, I might pack up this camp light and start tidying up a bit. Get ready for the trek out. Pack the rooftop up. I'm just waiting for the rain. It's meant to come. I had a look on the weather app and it was just going past further south just a little bit. There's no wind. It's just cloud and low cloud. Oh, let's pack up. Let's see how that goes. Well, Looks like the billy's finally boiled, which is good. Nice hot coffee will be good this morning. I better go get it. Ouch, that's hot. Beautiful. Messy. Excuse my table manners. Not for you. Cheers. I'm being extra careful now when I pack that up. Because I think last time when I did it, the seal along here on the other side, on the awning side, was pinched up. So obviously water got in there, because that was the side that had the mould on it. I'm not 100% sure, I can't tell. But it's the only thing I can put it down to. It wasn't cold the night I packed up, or the day next morning I packed up. It wasn't like this. It was summer. It was warm. I was on the beach. So yeah, but hey, it's all gone now. White vinegar and water. A day out in the sun, spray, wipe, spray, let it dry. Oh, spray, let it dry, wipe, spray, let it dry, wipe. And I'll do it again a few more times just to make sure. But yeah, all packed up, just about. Soon, whoa, soon the fun will begin. Well, all packed up, ready to go. Just got to tackle the hill out that we drove down, and then get out, which isn't a problem. There's just quite a few water crossings, or water puddles I should say. Some are quite deep. You can't see where because it's all brown, you can't see the bottom or where it is. So the fun begins. Everything gets shaken about. The dog goes flying. Wherever he is, he's right here. So yeah, let's see if we can get out of here. Made it. Just. Nearly didn't, but yeah, we got there. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Yo!